control management is the proper managing of when, where, and how to dial. A lot of times within systems, the approach to make calls is brute force. Dial as many as you can, as fast as you can. That generates a lot of hang-ups, a lot of disconnected numbers, a lot of contacts which really aren't advantageous for the agent to work. So within our environment, we provide sorting, qualifying, prioritizing of individual accounts as well as individual phone numbers so that the proper account can be called at the proper time, trying to yield the best results. Well, oftentimes when agents work accounts, the accounts that they work are based on some preconceived notion that the agent will be able to properly order and control who they call and when they call. Oftentimes this preconceived notion is far off base. When you use list control, it manages the work of the agent to be able to call the proper party at the proper location at the proper time, making it so that they work a full breadth of the accounts that you have, instead of focusing on just a few select accounts that they may know about. Oftentimes, when we implement list control, you find that agents actually work more accounts than focusing on the same accounts over and over again. Well, one of the main benefits for collectors is that as they work accounts, they become more efficient. They don't have to worry about when to call, who to call, and how to call. That's all automatically managed for them so that they have better list penetration, they contact more right parties. They're able to actually efficiently work all the accounts instead of a select few. Many of the agents that work on a dialer using good list management, it provides an environment in which they don't have to worry about their structure of work all day long. The dialer will keep track, provide the callbacks necessary to improve their productivity through proper contacting. Many of the environments that use dialers oftentimes just push accounts. Therefore, when clients expect certain types of work to be done, sometimes the client wants you just to call every account. Other times, they want you actually to contact parties. So by using List Manage, you can fulfill both needs, whether it be brute force dialing or specific calls for contact of every party, making it so that you efficiently work the accounts that have been assigned. One of the important aspects of IAT's list management is that you can control at what level IAT steps into the work. We have processes in which you can define sort orders, you can define qualifications, you can define callback regimens, or you can allow the dialer to do that work for you. It makes it so that you can do your work to improve the process, as well as the dialer will watch and monitor and maintain the best result possible. We find that a lot of collectors, when they don't have a good list management environment, they overwork the same accounts over and over again, not only wasting the time of the agent, but also wasting the time of equipment and the infrastructure and the requirements to pay long distance fees, things like that. So when you use list management and properly order your accounts to be worked, you do as little work necessary to actually come up with the best result, making it so that you don't waste time and you come up with the desired result for your clients, for your managers, and also for your agents.